Hello and welcome again to a new video. Let's start now with the properties used in Flexbox for our parent, the Flex container. The first parent property and the most important is the display, because without this property Flexbox Model can't be applied. This parent property defines a Flex container, block or inline depending the given value to the property, and enables a Flex context to the direct children's, known as Flex items. A Flex container is declared by setting the display property of an element to Flex, to display as a Flex block element, or inline Flex, to display as a Flex inline element. For this first example, I want that my page have a div identified with the ID container. That will be my Flex container. And inside the container I have my main div that receives text that work as Flex item. This is the only code that I need inside my body tag to create a container and a Flex item. Now I write my CSS code inside the style tag to edit the layout of the page. The div container will be my Flex container and the main div the Flex item, like I said previously. If I want to add more Flex items, just need to add new divs inside the container like I did with the main div. Inside the style tag I create now the style rule for my Flex container, where I put the display property with value Flex to display container as a block element and give value purple to the background color. Finally, I define the height of the container with a value of 200 pixels. The main div is the direct children and is our Flex item, where I define the background color burly wood, and finally a padding and margin value with 20 pixels and a border with 1 pixel of width, style solid and color dark orange. As expectable, the container is displayed as a block element with background purple, and you see that the main div adjusts the size to the content that is inside. That is one of the important default behaviors for the Flex items using the Flexbox. To change the container to an inline element, I just need to change the value Flex to inline Flex. And now, in our page, the container is not displayed as a block and adjusts its size to the main div. So don't forget these two important values for display property: Flex to create a block element and inline Flex to display a Flex inline element. Thanks for following this important video. See you next lesson.